we're going to talk about the 7 habits of self-made millionaires. What sets these successful individuals apart? How have they achieved their remarkable financial milestones? Whether you're starting on your journey to financial independence or looking to enhance your success, understanding these habits can be a game changer. Did you know that most self-made millionaires share a set of common habits that significantly contribute to their success? It's not just about working hard, but also about working smart. These habits are not just about making money, but also about developing a mindset and lifestyle that fosters wealth and success. In this video, we're going to explore the 7 key habits that self-made millionaires practice regularly. These habits are not secrets reserved for the elite few. They are accessible to everyone. Implementing these can set you on the path to increased financial success and personal development. So, let's uncover the 7 habits that could transform your life, just as they have for countless self-made millionaires. Let's focus on the first crucial habit of self-made millionaires: financial literacy and budgeting. This might sound a bit technical, but it's quite straightforward and incredibly impactful. Financial literacy is all about understanding how money works, how to earn it, save it, invest it, and spend it wisely. It's a skill that empowers you to make smart financial decisions. Now think about budgeting. It's not just about restricting your spending. It's about understanding where your money is going and planning how to use it effectively. This habit is like having a roadmap for your finances. It guides you in allocating resources to your goals, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and building a solid foundation for future investments. Let's take the example of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of our time. Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle and his keen sense of budgeting. Despite his enormous wealth, he doesn't splurge on extravagant things and always keeps an eye on his expenditures. This habit of prudent budgeting and investing wisely has played a huge part in his financial success. So, what can we learn from this? First, start by educating yourself about financial matters. Read books, follow financial news, or even take a course. Second, begin to track your expenses and create a budget. It doesn't have to be complex. A simple plan that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals will do. Moving on to the second essential habit of self-made millionaires: continuous learning and self-education. This habit is all about the relentless pursuit of knowledge and skills, not just in one's field, but broadly. Self-made millionaires understand that the world is constantly changing, and keeping up with these changes requires an ongoing commitment to learning. Why is this habit so crucial? It's simple. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better decisions you can make, especially in areas like investments, business strategies, and personal growth. Plus, learning new skills can open doors to opportunities that you may not have even known existed. Consider Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation. Musk's success across multiple industries, from digital payments with PayPal to space exploration with SpaceX, can be largely attributed to his habit of constant learning. He's known for devouring books on a wide range of topics and continually challenging himself to learn more. So, how can we incorporate this habit into our lives? Start by setting aside time each day or week for learning. It could be reading books, listening to podcasts, taking online courses, or even attending workshops and seminars. The key is to be curious and open to new ideas. Now, let's explore the third key habit: networking and building relationships. This is about much more than just exchanging business cards or adding contacts on LinkedIn. It's about creating meaningful connections with people and nurturing those relationships over time. Self-made millionaires understand that success isn't just about what you know, but also about who you know. Why is networking so vital? It opens up a world of opportunities. Through a strong network, you can gain insights, find mentors, uncover business opportunities, and even receive support during challenging times. It's about creating a community that can propel you and others towards success. Take Oprah Winfrey as an example. Her remarkable journey from a humble background to becoming a media mogul was partly fueled by her incredible ability to connect with people, from guests on her show to influential figures in various industries. Oprah's network has been a crucial asset in her career. So, how do we build and maintain a strong network? It starts with a genuine interest in others. Attend networking events, engage in communities related to your field, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Remember, it's about mutual benefit. think about how you can help others as well. Before we move next, a quick reminder for everyone, if you guys love this video and want more content like this, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would support me a lot. Next up is the fourth habit, risk-taking and innovation. This habit is crucial among self-made millionaires, and it's about stepping out of comfort zones to pursue new ideas and opportunities. It involves not just taking risks, but taking calculated risks after thorough evaluation and planning. This habit is about embracing change and innovation rather than shying away from it. Why is this habit so important? In the world of business and finance, the biggest opportunities often come with an element of risk. By taking calculated risks, self-made millionaires open themselves up to potentially high rewards. It's about not being afraid to try new things, even if they challenge the status quo. Let's look at Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. He took a significant risk by leaving a comfortable job to start an online bookstore from his garage. This move, driven by his vision of the potential of the internet, was a gamble at the time, but ultimately revolutionized the retail industry. Bezos' willingness to innovate and take risks has been a key factor in his immense success. So, how can we adopt this habit? It starts with cultivating a mindset that sees opportunities in challenges and is willing to explore the unknown. Educate yourself, analyze potential risks and benefits, and don't be afraid to leap when the odds are in your favor. Moving on to the fifth essential habit, goal setting and vision planning. This habit is about having a clear vision for the future and setting specific, achievable goals to make that vision a reality. Self-made millionaires don't leave their success to chance. They plan for it. They set both short-term and long-term goals, and they regularly review and adjust these goals as needed. Why is this habit so critical? It provides direction and focus. When you have clear goals, you're more likely to take consistent action and make decisions that align with achieving these goals. It turns abstract aspirations into concrete plans. Consider Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. He didn't just stumble upon success. He had a vision of connecting people through a social network. Each year, he sets new personal challenges that align with his broader goals, whether it's learning Mandarin or promoting new technologies. This habit of setting and pursuing clear goals has been instrumental in his journey. So how can we develop this habit? Start by taking some time to reflect on what you want to achieve. Break down your larger vision into smaller, measurable goals. Write these goals down and review them regularly. Make sure they are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. As we move to the sixth habit, let's focus on persistence and resilience, two key traits that are universally found among self-made millionaires. This habit is about the determination to keep going in the face of setbacks and challenges. It's about not giving up when things get tough and learning from failures instead of being discouraged by them. Why are persistence and resilience so important? The path to success is rarely smooth or straightforward. It's filled with obstacles and setbacks. Self-made millionaires understand that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of the success journey. They use their challenges as stepping stones to learn and grow. A perfect example of this is Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple. His journey was not without failures. He was once ousted from Apple, the very company he helped to create. However, instead of giving up, he persevered, founding other successful companies like Next and Pixar, and eventually returning to Apple to lead it to new heights. So, how can we cultivate these traits? Start by adopting a growth mindset. See challenges as opportunities to learn. When faced with setbacks, don't give up. Reflect on what went wrong, learn from it, and move forward with new insights. It's also important to set realistic expectations and understand that success doesn't happen overnight. And now, let's focus on the seventh and final habit, philanthropy and social responsibility. This habit might come as a surprise to some, but self-made millionaires often recognize the importance of giving back to the community and engaging in social causes. It's about using wealth and influence not just for personal gain, but to make a positive impact in the world. Why is this habit significant? Philanthropy and social responsibility are not only about generosity, but they also reflect a deeper understanding of interconnectedness and gratitude. These actions create a legacy that goes beyond mere wealth accumulation and speaks to the character and values of the individual. Bill Gates is a prime example of this habit. Beyond being one of the richest individuals in the world, he is equally known for his philanthropic efforts through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. His commitment to global health, education, and reducing poverty exemplifies how wealth can be used for broader societal good. So, how can we incorporate this habit into our lives? It doesn't necessarily mean donating huge sums of money. You can start small by volunteering your time, donating to causes you care about, or even using your skills to benefit others. It's about making a positive difference in whatever way you can. As we wrap up our journey through the 7 habits of self-made millionaires, these habits are only for the wealthy or those aspiring to be millionaires. The truth is, these habits can benefit anyone, regardless of their financial situation. They're about making the most of what you have, constantly learning and growing, and making a positive impact in the world. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the habits of self-made millionaires. I encourage you to start implementing these habits in your own life. Who knows? They might just be the stepping stones to your own success story. Let's start on this journey together, and let's see where it takes us. Here's to your success.